First, I arrive at the airport and go to the check-in counter. I say, "Good morning. I'd like a check-in for my flight to New York." The agent asks for my passport and ticket, so I hand them over. They asked, "How many bags are you checking in today?" I say, "Just one suitcase. I also have my carry-on luggage with me." The agent checks my bag's weight and confirms it's within the limit. Then they hand me my boarding pass and tell me that my gate is 12 and boarding will begin at 3:30 p.m. I ask about the departure time, and the agent informs me that the flight departs at 4 p.m., advising me to be at the gate at least 30 minutes before the flight. Next, I ask if there is a security check before the gate, and the agent explains that I need to proceed to the security check area after check-in. They remind me to remove any liquids from my carry-on bag. I thank the agent and make my way to the security check.